When it comes to woodworking, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we're showcasing 20 incredible new tools from Kreg that will elevate your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're building furniture, tackling DIY projects, or fine-tuning your workshop setup, these tools are designed to make your work faster, easier, and more precise. Get ready to discover the latest innovations from Kreg that every woodworker needs to know about. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro is the ultimate tool for anyone serious about joinery. If you're looking for precision, speed, and ease, this is the tool to get the job done. With Automax dual action clamping, you can clamp and adjust to your material's thickness in one smooth motion, saving you time and effort. The GripMax anti-slip surface holds your workpiece firmly in place, ensuring flawless pocket holes every time. Built to last with a durable steel frame and polymer body, this jig is designed for heavy-duty use. Plus, it comes with the Kreg docking station, offering additional support, stability, and built-in storage for even the largest projects. From the adjustable material wings to the integrated dust collection, the 720 Pro has everything you need for clean, efficient work. Packed with premium accessories, this jig makes pocket hole joinery faster, easier, and more precise than ever. Perfectly square corners are crucial for any woodworking project, and the Kreg 90-degree corner clamp makes achieving them effortless. Whether you're assembling cabinets or building boxes, this clamp ensures your corners and partitions are held at a precise 90 degrees, freeing up your hands for fasteners. The cast aluminum wedge and V-shaped design lock your pieces in place, while edge stops keep everything flush and aligned. Plus, it's designed with Automax technology, automatically adjusting to material thicknesses without the need for constant readjustments. With access points for driving screws or using a brad nailer, this clamp is perfect for both Kreg pocket hole joinery and traditional methods. If you're looking for a foolproof way to achieve square corners and perfectly positioned shelves, the Kreg 90-degree corner clamp is your go-to solution. Struggling with inaccurate cuts and time-consuming setups on your miter saw? The Kreg Precision Track and Stop system is here to transform your cutting experience. Say goodbye to tape measures and pencils, and hello to effortless precision. This innovative system delivers unbeatable accuracy and repeatability, allowing you to make perfectly square crosscuts in seconds. With a simple 3-step setup, align, place, and cut, you'll achieve flawless results every time. It includes 2 versatile stops, 4 sections of T-track, and measuring tapes to customize your setup. Plus, a detailed plan for shop-made support wings ensures you're ready for any project. Elevate your woodworking game with the Kreg Precision Track and Stop system and enjoy speed, consistency, and real precision. Tired of struggling with heavy plywood and large panels? The Kreg panel carrier makes it a breeze to carry full-size sheets all by yourself. Just clamp, lift, and go. No more awkward lifting or risking damage to your materials. This tool automatically adjusts to panels up to 1/4 inch thick, while its GripMax pads securely hold even delicate veneers without leaving dents or marks. With its padded ergonomic handle, your hands won't suffer from strain, and the more you lift, the tighter the grip, ensuring no slips while carrying. Whether you're moving sheets off the rack, transporting them, or positioning them for cuts, the panel carrier takes the hard work out of the process. Perfect for any DIYer or project builder, this tool will save your back and your materials. If you're looking for precision crosscuts and miters, the Kreg Crosscut Station is about to become your go-to tool. This portable cutting station turns your circular saw into a miter saw powerhouse, making clean, accurate cuts on boards up to 12 inches wide. With adjustable guide rails that fit any saw, you'll get perfect 90-degree cuts every time. No guessing, no hassle. The Crosscut Station's hold-down clamps keep your boards locked in place, while the SureCut backboard shows exactly where your blade will hit, giving you the confidence to make flawless cuts. Need to handle longer boards? No problem. The extendable support wings make it a breeze. Plus, it's compact, lightweight, and built to last with impact-resistant materials. For anyone serious about DIY or woodworking, the Kreg Crosscut Station is a game changer. When you need fast, versatile clamping for your woodworking projects, look no further than the Kreg VersaGrip clamps. With a movable, reversible clamp head that slides along the bar, you can position it exactly where you need for quick, repeatable clamping. The soft, removable clamp pads prevent marring, while the ergonomic handle and easy-release trigger make unclamping a breeze. And with a powerful 300 pounds of clamping force, it's built for heavy-duty tasks. Plus, it seamlessly pairs with Kreg's 300 series, XL, and micro pocket hole jigs, thanks to the included adapter. Whether you're using it as a clamp or spreader, this tool offers the flexibility you need in 4 different lengths. The Kreg VersaGrip is the ultimate all-in-one clamp to speed up your workflow. When you're in the middle of a project, the last thing you want is a bulky clamp in your way. That's where the Kreg inline clamp shines. With its sleek, low-profile design, this clamp applies pressure from the side, keeping your workspace clear while providing up to 250 pounds of clamping force. Whether you're working on corners, round edges, or flat surfaces, this clamp holds it all. Its 1/4-inch peg fits perfectly into the Kreg Mobile Project Center or any workbench with bench dog holes, giving you flexibility no matter the setup. Plus, the easy-to-grip dial makes adjusting pressure a breeze. You can even rotate the clamp to direct pressure exactly where you need it. The Kreg inline clamp is the versatile, unobtrusive helping hand every woodworker needs. When it comes to clamping, precision and ease are key, and the Kreg bar clamps with Automax X Auto Adjust technology deliver both. Whether you're working on large assemblies or smaller tasks, these clamps offer 3 sizes: 8, 16, and 24 inches, tailored for any project. With the Automax technology, you never have to stop and readjust when switching between materials. Just slide the clamp head into place, squeeze, and the clamp automatically adjusts to your set pressure. Plus, the rigid I-beam design prevents flexing, even under high pressure. The removable clamp pads protect your workpiece, and a simple thumb screw gives you full control over clamping force. If you're looking for a smarter, faster way to tackle your woodworking projects, these Kreg bar clamps are a game changer. Looking for the perfect workbench to elevate your DIY or woodworking projects? The Kreg Universal Bench has you covered. With its ultra-flat, 1.5-inch thick hardwood butcher blocktop, this sturdy workbench offers a durable, stain-resistant surface for all your tasks. Plus, it's easy to clean. The oversized top makes clamping projects a breeze, and optional precision dog holes increase your clamping options even more. Customization is key with Kreg. Adjustable legs let you set the height anywhere from 31-inch to 39-inch, and you can personalize the bench with shelves, cabinets, and drawers to keep everything organized. Whether you're building, sanding, or assembling, this bench is built to handle it all. Available in 4 sizes, the Kreg Universal Bench is the ultimate versatile foundation for any workspace. Space is always a premium in any workshop, and that's where the Kreg Portable Work Surface shines. This compact solution is perfect for woodworking, DIY, and crafting projects, giving you versatility no matter where you work. Its ultra-flat, medium-density fiberboard surface ensures precision, while the GripMax anti-slip cords keep your material stable for intricate tasks. Need to secure your project? The precision machined 3/4-inch dog holes give you endless clamping options. Plus, with 4-inch leveling feet, you get added clearance for clamping and cutting. And when it's time to move, the integrated handle doubles as a handy screw container holder. Ideal for the garage, office, or even the living room, this is the workspace upgrade you didn't know you needed.
Kreg Adaptive Cutting System Track Saw. This tool combines the precision and power for cutting solid wood and plywood with ease. Facilitated by its plunge cut design and the robust 12-amp motor features, this saw ensures consistent performance under varying workloads. Kreg didn't compromise on safety, so they put features like a fully shrouded retracting blade, a riving knife, electronic blade brake, and anti-kickback control. With an industry-exclusive blade left design optimized for right-hand users, it provides superior cutting visibility and control. The saw boasts a cutting depth capacity of 2 1/8 inch at 90 degrees and 1.5 inch at 45 degrees, accommodating a wide range of cutting tasks. Additionally, its bevel cutting capacity ranges from -1 degree to 47 degrees, so you can do versatile angle adjustments to meet diverse project needs. How can you achieve precision and adaptability in your woodworking projects? Meet the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig K4, a tool trusted by both DIYers and professionals alike. Its 3-hole drill guide enables precise placement of pocket holes across a range of material widths and thicknesses from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch. Equipped with a dust collection adapter, it ensures a clean workspace by connecting to your shop vac. The rear-mounted clamp, a hallmark of Kreg pocket hole jigs, delivers exceptional rigidity and secure workpiece holding strength, while adjustments are effortlessly achieved through a simple lock nut release and clamp pad rotation mechanism. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the Kreg K4 stands as a reliable and user-friendly tool for efficient and accurate joinery tasks. If you're in need of a fast and versatile clamping solution for your next woodworking projects, then you better go with the VersaGrip clamps from Kreg. With an adaptable clamp head that can be repositioned along the bar and reversed for various applications, along with soft, non-marring clamp pads that are removable, these clamps offer flexibility without compromising on protection for your workpiece. The easy release trigger on the handle ensures quick unclamping, enhancing efficiency in your workflow. Moreover, the included pocket hole jig adapter allows seamless integration with Kreg 300 series and XL pocket hole jigs, providing added versatility and convenience for your joinery tasks. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, the Kreg VersaGrip clamps are indispensable tools for achieving precise and secure clamping in any woodworking project. Do you hate a messy work area but need a strong workbench? Meet Kreg's Universal Bench. It's tough and does many jobs like a table for assembling things or holding things. This bench keeps your stuff organized and close by. It's not a tool actually, but it can be used as an assembly table, tool stand, and many more purposes. This heavy-duty bench keeps all your essential goods safe, organized, and near to hand. You can choose between multiple sizes that perfectly suit your workplace. Plus, you can create an absolutely personalized size by adjusting the metal legs and rails. Cool, isn't it? It needs some easy steps to be fully assembled. And you know the best part? This universal bench comes with a cool height adjustability, so you can get the desired height depending on the project in hand. Next up, we have the Kreg Drawer Front Mounting System. It's a straightforward and efficient solution for mounting and aligning drawer fronts, whether you're constructing, renovating, or repairing. With its robust thick steel design, featuring large clamp pads, Grip Max anti-slip surface, and ribbed corners, it minimizes flex and maintains stability throughout your project. Alignment marks ensure precision, while the heavy-duty construction ensures durability. Setting up is quick and easy, aided by large knobs for straightforward tightening. Additionally, shims are included to create consistent drawer gaps, enhancing the overall aesthetics and functionality of your drawers. Say goodbye to the hassle of trying to hold pieces in place while you work. This system streamlines the process, making drawer front installation a breeze for both professionals and DIYers alike. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro helps you to create 33% smaller pocket holes, ideal for thin and narrow stock, perfect for drawer boxes, small crafts, or repairs. Its standalone design, along with twist-apart thickness settings for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch and easy set drill bit, ensures straightforward operation. With hardened steel drill guides and an included material thickness gauge, setup is a breeze, while the Grip Max anti-slip base holds the jig securely in place during drilling, guaranteeing consistently accurate pocket holes with every use. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this micro jig provides a convenient solution for precise joinery in smaller scale woodworking projects, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. We know the hassle of finding studs when hanging shelves or cabinets. That's why we have the Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder for you. This little tool is a great solution for quick and accurate stud detection. With strong rare earth magnets, this pocket-friendly tool ensures reliable indication on both wood and metal studs. But that's not all. Its high-vis bubble level and precision marking notch simplify the process of anchoring cabinets and shelves. Need to locate screws or nails? No problem. The two powerful magnets have you covered. Plus, its hands-free design allows for easy wall attachment, making your projects smoother and more efficient. With precision-centered marking notches and the option to use with or without batteries, this magnetic stud finder is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to streamline their work. Here comes the Kreg Track Horse, a durable yet reliable work support system designed to handle heavy projects with ease. This track horse boasts a sturdy steel and aluminum construction that's capable of supporting up to 2,200 pounds per pair. Its multifunctional design serves as a sawhorse, work support, and clamping center, offering flexibility in any workspace. Portable and expandable, it can be easily transported and stored, while pairing with another track horse creates a large cutting platform or extra-large work table. Equipped with a Kreg bench clamp featuring Automax, it offers dual-mode clamping for secure holding down or vice-style clamping. With adjustable legs offering 6 working heights and the ability to fold away completely for compact storage or ground-level use, the Kreg Track Horse provides convenience and efficiency for any woodworking project. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set offers a simple and effective solution for creating flawless corner profiles with any router. In just 3 easy steps, users can achieve precise and decorative corners. First, select and attach the desired profile, then adjust the edge stop post to match the material being worked on. Finally, route the corner to produce perfect results consistently. This versatile guide is compatible with trim routers, handheld routers, and router tables, ensuring accessibility and flexibility in various woodworking setups. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a hobbyist, the Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set streamlines the process of creating intricate corner profiles, allowing you to add unique and stylish touches to your woodworking projects effortlessly. Tackling screwing tasks in tight corners can be a headache, but Kreg has your back with the KDRV 90DG. This 90-degree pocket hole driver is designed to handle screws in confined spaces effortlessly. With a 1/4-inch shank compatible with standard drill and impact drivers, and 3-inch square drive bits that work seamlessly with pocket hole screws, it simplifies the process. Despite its compact design, it's sturdy enough to handle tough materials without causing vibrations. Whether you're navigating through tight spots on the job site or trying to save time on screwing tasks, this driver makes the job easier and less labor-intensive.
So this is our list of the top 20 new amazing Kreg tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends and colleagues if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.